Michael Dagnes, CEO and President of Raritan Bay Medical Center. Thanks for being on the show.
It's my pleasure. It's really good to be with you and have opportunity to talk about Raritan Bay Medical Center and its many services.
Mike, tell me a little bit about Raritan Bay Medical Center.
Raritan Bay Medical Center is a two-hospital medical center. We have a hospital in Old Bridge and a hospital in Perth Amboy. We have about 1,700 employees. We have 500 doctors. We have volunteers and auxilians on our staff. We are a community teaching hospital, so we offer all services in medicine, surgery, pediatrics, and OB. And we also have residency programs in obstetrics and in internal medicine. Our obstetrics program is affiliated with Robert Wood Johnson Medical School in New Brunswick. So this medical center is a very vibrant, large, two-hospital medical center.
Tell me a little bit about the communities that Raritan Bay Medical Center serves.
That's an interesting question because we are in two very different communities. The Perth Amboy Hospital is in the urban area, and the Old Bridge Hospital is in much more of a suburban area, surrounded by towns such as East Brunswick and Marlborough and Manalapan, so that the patient base is very different. Also at Old Bridge, we tend to have a larger number of nursing home patients there because of the number of nursing homes in the area. So we have a mix of patients that really is very different at both hospitals.
You've recently launched a website, and I'm assuming that you did that to help meet those patient needs. Tell me a little bit about why it's important to communicate to your patients via the web.
Getting information to the public is very important. We believe we do an excellent job. We believe that once you experience what goes on at Raritan Bay Medical Center, you'll come back. Getting that word out, communicating that, however, is something that we're constantly looking at, and we believe the web is an excellent way to do it. The general public spends a lot of time on the web. They're looking for information about various subjects and topics. My understanding is the number one reason that people go on the web is to find out about doctors and hospitals. So we feel it's very important to have a presence, a dynamic, real-time presence on the web that can tell you as much as you need to know about Raritan Bay Medical Center.
Mike, tell us a little bit about the various modalities you have on your website right now. You've got a live calendar, you've got a physician finder. How could people use those to improve their health status?
When they go on the web, they might be looking for specifically a physician that they need a referral. They have, and hopefully it's a primary care physician because that's the best way to enter the system. And on our website, they can look for a doctor based on the area that they live in, based on the specialty that they're interested in. They could find out about the physician's training and education, the fellowship training that they did. In addition, we have our community calendar of events. Now, on the community calendar, it gives you the opportunity to find out about the ability to give blood. We're constantly looking for donors for blood because of the need for blood in a hospital. So it'll tell you where to go, when to go to donate blood to the hospital. In addition, it'll tell you all about our educational events that we have coming up, the specific topics and the speakers, things of that nature. But it's all on a real-time basis. It's all live. It's all current. There's nothing stale about it.
Mike, tell me a little bit about the patient experience here at Raritan Bay Medical Center and what patients can expect when they go to the website.
Well, first off, when they come here, we know that they're going to have an excellent experience. We've got well-trained doctors. We've got magnet nurses. There's only 5% of the hospitals, of the 5,000 hospitals in the country, that have nurses that are magnet nurses for nursing excellence. We've been designated and redesignated just last year as a magnet hospital. So they'll see that in the level of care, concern, professionalism that the nurse provides in addition to the physicians. And they'll be able to see this on the web as well. They'll be able to see the level of professionalism. They'll see the reference to magnet, the explanation about magnet on our website, so that what they see on the web, they will experience in person once they come in the hospital.
Mike, tell me a little bit about the HR module that you have on your website right now, and how people can find a job on the website.
The human resources aspect of our website is really, I think, one of the most dynamic, because anybody who's interested in working here, and certainly in these times, and it's always difficult, I think, to get into an institution and find out more about it. You can just go on our website, you can find out what jobs are available, you can find out if they're part-time, they're full-time, they're per diem, what category, what level of employment, so that a lot of your answers to your questions are readily available just going on the website. There's no need to even call us. You can even apply for the job on the website. Once that all takes place, then we will follow up in terms of whether or not the application is accepted and whether or not we're interested. For our employees as well, and this is a separate aspect, there's a part of our website that only our employees can get onto. And we thought this was a great way to offer to our employees the ability to communicate with us and for us to communicate with them. We don't have to mail things to the home all the time. We don't have to hand out information with paychecks. Employees can simply go in using their employee number and get information about the hospital that they need to know. So it's also set up for the individual employee.
Mike, thanks again for being with us today, and you've really given us some insights into what Raritan Bay Medical Center does and its new forays on the web.
Well, you're very welcome. I appreciate any opportunity to talk about my favorite topic, Raritan Bay Medical Center.